Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody trying to reduplicate this shape. And they had a pretty good idea, and they told me that they're using the polygon set on four-sided. I'm going to rotate that 45 degrees so we have a flat. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. And because it's a polygon, four-sided, you could change all these to curves by right-clicking and change them into curves. And this is what he's trying to do. But he can't quite get that. Or you could get it, but you'd have to really work at it to get that sharp point. So that looked pretty cool. My suggestion is to take a rectangle and hit P, take another rectangle and Control D and make a duplicate. And while holding down the Shift key, that way it'll grow from the middle. Take your outer rectangle and go up to Object and convert it to a curve. Now, the indexing line's kind of getting away a little bit. In this case, this would be a good scenario. Let's turn off the indexing line, because sometimes it's hard to grab the center of that with the indexing line there. Let's take a 2-point line and hit P, and then we can basically trim it off and see if it'll be easier to grab it. Because now I can take my shape tool and grab my line and then grab right in the middle. Well, I need to select all these and right click and turn them into a curve, and then click on my line and then go right here. Now, just two trains of thought, you could do that on all four corners. But if you're trying to get this look and we're working in the center of the page, Control D and make a duplicate, rotate it 90 degrees, Control D, Control D. And now all we have to do is take away this inner box that we really could have probably pre-hand and not had to do this. And we don't have to get rid of the exterior lines. You know what I could do is just click on that. Well, it's tell you what, here's a good trick. Hold down the Alt key and click on that line, and that gets rid of the entire box. Well, it should have. Somehow I must have made a couple of copies. Then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and there's that shape. This one's a little bit bigger than the one I did at first. I don't know what that shape's for, but he sent me a picture. I should have saved it, of that diamond shape. But then when he told me he was doing it with the polygon tool, I just started thinking about just do it with a square and bring in the square. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.